How to find email settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email settings on Messenger Lite. First I need to go to Messenger Lite and now click this settings icon in top corner and go down. Here you will find account settings. Click on it and now click personal information and then just here you will find contact info. Click on it and then click on your email, and as you see here you can manage your email and you can remove it or anything. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.